Philippines is on the third leg of the SEC Spiley's Roadshow. So this initiative reflects our commitment to fostering sustainable business practices and empowering SSLEs to contribute to a more sustainable future. So what is sustainability? Sustainability is often formally defined as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So this definition popularized by the Brundtland Commission in 1987, emphasizes the importance of balancing economic, social, and environmental considerations to ensure a harmonious and enduring existence for humanity and the planet. In practical terms, sustainability is about making choices that consider